I am Radha. I am taking the chemistry class, 12th standard. So the chapter unit 4, the topic is transition elements. So in transition elements, now we are going to discuss introduction part, position of transition elements, electronic configuration of transition elements, and general properties of transition elements. In general properties of transition elements has many subdivision. So number 1, metallic behavior, variation of atomic and ionic size, ionization enthalpy, oxidation state, standard electrode potential, and magnetic properties, catalytic properties, alloy formation, formation of interstitial compounds, and formation of complexes. Okay, so now first, that is the introduction part about this transition elements. So this is very, that is play a vital role in, that is a human, that is life, even that is a living system. For the example is transition element, that is a iron, that is present in hemoglobin. So same way for maximum, that is transition element, it is useful in this human, that is development of human civilizations. Okay, so now first we are going to see what is transition elements. So in overall, that is nearly 118 elements present. So out of that is, now wanted to identify the transition elements. How that is to identify the transition elements. Next, what is transition element? So to arise many questions. So transition element means nothing but the elements which have incompletely filled d or f, that is orbital. So you know what is incompletely filled d orbital. So now I give one example. See this example, scandium. So scandium is a transition, that is the elements. So scandium, that is Sc symbol, atomic number 21. So now I am going to write the electronic configuration. So argon 3d1 4s2. So now the electron enter in d orbital, and at the same time in d orbital, that is pi orientation, that is denoted as 10 electron, it is possible. Now we have, that is only one electron, that is incompletely filled d orbital. So for such a type of, that is elements, we are identified as a transition elements. So now you know the meaning for transition elements. So transition element means nothing but that is incompletely filled d orbitals. Okay, so that is f orbital. If f orbital means, that is we are calling as, that is inner transition elements. Okay, that is the next chapter. So now come to the topic for position of, that is the transition elements. So now we are going to see the position of transition element. So now you know the, that is, now I going to show this periodic table. So in this periodic table, so already we saw in the lower classes. So now just a recall. So this is the modern periodic table. So in the modern periodic table, they are arranged based on this, that is the electronic configuration. So this one S block, that is 2 groups, N, that is 1 and 2. So next one, this side, that is the right side, that is B block element, it is present, and center, that is D block element, it is present, and next one, that is the bottom of the periodic table, that is the inner transition element, it is present, that is F block element, it is present. Okay, so now going to see this D block. So this box alone, that is denoted as the D block element, it is present here. So now to, that is explain